Hello, dear traders. Are you sick and tired of trading Forex and not earning any money? Are you tired of losing your money on and on? Here at ForexSignals.com, we take great care of our customers because we have all the solutions you need to make it big in the Forex jungle. All you need to do in order to start making money fast is to follow these short steps. Number 1, go to ForexSignals.com. Number 2, open an account with Avatrade using our link. Number 3, make a deposit. Number 4, enjoy the most accurate trading signals the world of Forex has to offer. Get your signals via email to keep you up to speed to all the technical analysis and sudden changes in the Forex world of trading. Our dedicated team of professionals work around the clock 24 hours a day, 5 trading days a week to help you enjoy a smooth trading session. Be a winner, stay sharp, stay wise, sit back and enjoy. Buy ForexSignals.com.